Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. And for today's video, we are going to Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Ang goal ng channel na ito ay magbigay ng supplemental exercises sa mga batang Pilipino na mas lalong matutunan ang mathematics. Ang ginagamit ko po ngayon na libro ay Algebra 1 for Dummies. Madami yan. Pero, magsimula tayo sa pinakaumpisa. Kasi, sa mathematics, no, kapag hindi mo na-gets yung pinaka-foundation niya, mahihirapan ka talagang maintindihan ang mga bagay-bagay. Okay. Chapter 1, Deciphering Signs in Numbers. So, sa chapter na ito, pag-uusapan natin yung integers. Sa pamamagitan ng paggamit ng number line, paano makuha ang absolute value ng isang numero, at magta-try tayo mag-practice ng operations in integer. Assigning numbers their place. You may think that identifying that 16 is bigger than 10 is an easy concept. But what about negative 1? But what about negative 1.6 and negative 1.04? Which of these numbers is bigger? The easiest way to compare numbers and to tell which is bigger or has a greater value is to find each number's position on the number line. So, gagamitin natin yung konsepto ng number line para malaman natin ano nga ba yung greater or bigger number kapag ka nagko-compare ka ng mga numero involving rational numbers. Pag sinabi nating rational numbers, ito ay mga numbers na pwede mong i-express as a ratio of two non-zero whole numbers. Number one, which is larger? Is it negative 2 or negative 8? Ano sa tingin mo? Tingnan natin. May number line tayo. Ito si 0. Ito si negative 2. Ito si negative 8. Alam natin na kapag negative numbers ang pinag-uusapan, the more na mas malapit ka kay 0, the more na mas malaki ka. The more that the number is near to 0, that number is larger. So, in this part, si negative 2, ang pinakamalapit kay 0. Kaya naman, siya ang larger between negative 2 and negative 8. Next, dito muna sa number 2. Which has the greater value? Negative 13 or 2? This is your 0. This is your 2. This is your negative 13. Somewhere there. For number 2, madali mo nang ma-identify kung sino yung greater value kasi it's either positive or negative lang yun. always remember na ang positive number ay higit na mas malaki kaysa sa mga negative number. Kaya ang answer natin ay 2. Next. Hmm. Challenging. Which is bigger? Negative 0.003 or negative 0.03? Medyo ano yan. Halimbawa, ito yung 0. Ito yung negative 1. Ito yung negative 0.5. Diba? Negative 0.5. Tapos sa gitna niyan ay negative 0.05. So, somewhere here, nandito si negative 0.03. Tapos kapag ka in-enlarge mo pa to somewhere here, nandito si negative 0.0003. The more na mas madami yung zero mo, after the decimal point, the more na mas malapit ka kay 0. So, ang ating answer ay ito. Dahil ang tanong ay, sino ang mas malaki? Next, which is larger? Negative 1/6 or negative 2/3? Gawin mo silang equivalent. Negative 1/6, negative 2/3. Gawin mong equivalent to sa pamagitan ng pag-multiply ng 2 sa numerator at denominator ng negative 2/3. So, magkakaroon ka ng negative 4/3. 4/6 rather. Burahin natin yun. So, meron kang negative 1/6 at negative 4/6. Pwede mong gawin na i-divide ito. Negative 4/6. Pag 4, divide mo sa 6. 0, 0, 6, 36, 4. So, ito ay magiging 0.66. Paulit-ulit lang. Ito naman ay 0.1. Diba kapag ka nahihirapan ka sa fraction, pwede mong gawin ito. So, 0.16. Pero, ang answer dito ay negative. So, ibig sabihin, ito si 0. Ito si negative 1/6. Tapos, nandito si negative 4/6. Tapos, nandito si negative 1. Ang larger natin ay si negative 1/6. Malinaw. Okay. Pagbasa at pagsulat ng absolute value. Kapag ka nagsusulat ka ng kahit na anong absolute value ng isang number ay ito lang yung symbol niya. May dalawang linya pababa, tapos sa loob ng dalawang linya na pababa, nandoon ang iyong numero. Ilagay na lang natin 'tong algebraic expression na A. Sinasabi dito na ang output daw ng absolute value ay palaging positive, positive number. Another way of looking at this operation is that it can tell you how far a number is from zero on the number line with no reference to which side. So, ang ibig sabihin lang nito, sabihin natin na, take for example, kapag daw kinuha mo ang absolute value ng 6, ah, let's try a lower number. Kapag kinuha mo ang absolute value ng 3 at ang absolute value ng negative 3, parehas lang equal sa 3. Kasi absolute value, sinasabi lang niya kung gaano kalayo itong numero mo sa 0. O, i-try natin i-graph. Ito 0, ito 1, ito 2, 3, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. If you count the distance from 0 to 3, that's 3 units. If you count the distance between negative 3 and 0, that is still 3 units. So, yun lang actually yung concept ng absolute value. Gaano lang kalayo sa 0 ang iyong numero sa iyong number line. Let's try to read this. The absolute value of A. The absolute value of A is equal to A if A is a positive number. Kaya ito, ang absolute value ng positive number na 3 ay just simply 3. Kinopya mo lang. Pero pag absolute value daw ng 0, automatic 0 lang yun. Next, if the the absolute value of A is equal to negative A if A is a negative number. Ano yung sinasabi niya? Yung absolute value daw ng A equal kay negative A. Sabihin natin ang A mo equal kay negative 3. Ang absolute value ng negative 3 ay equal kay negative of negative 3, which is negative times negative, that's positive 3. Kaya positive pa rin yung sagot. Sa madaling salita, kinukuha mo lang yung opposite ng A kapag ka negative ang number mo. Again, kapag ka negative ang number mo at kinuha mo ang absolute value ng iyong negative number, you just need to get the opposite of that number, which is, in this case, it's just simply 3. Yan. Practice. Absolute value of 8, just copy 8. Absolute value of negative 6, just copy. Since this is a negative number, we just need to get the opposite of negative 6, which is 6. Next, you have negative and the absolute value of negative 6. We know that the absolute value of negative 6 is 6, but there's still a negative sign outside of your absolute value. So, we'll write our answer as negative 6. Number 8, we have negative times the absolute value of 8. The absolute value of 8 is 8, but you still have negative outside the absolute value. So our answer is negative 8. Adding sign numbers. Kapag ka daw nag-a-add ka ng numbers na parehas lang ang sign, let's say, inad mo ang positive sa positive at pinagsama mo ang negative sa negative, ang gagawin mo lang daw ay add the absolute values of the two numbers together and let their common sign be the sign of the answer. So positive A plus positive B is equal to positive of A plus B. Next, if you are adding negative A plus negative B, you just need to combine A and B. The absolute value of these two is just A and B, right? That's why you have A plus B here. And then, since they are both negative, you will put negative sign in your answer. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Madali lang yung unang example eh. Pag parehas silang positive. Say for example, 6 plus 10. Walang problema. 6 plus 10 pa rin. 16. Pero pag ginawa natin negative 6 plus negative 10, ang gagawin mo, since both silang negative, ayun na, negative, kunin mo yung negative sign, tapos ipag-add mo yung absolute value ng negative 6 at ng negative 10. Ang absolute value ng negative 6 ay 6. Ang absolute value ng negative 10 ay 10. So, ipag-add mo lang yan. Ngayon, magkakaroon ka ng answer na 16. Pero, outside of your parentheses, you still have the negative sign. So, negative times a number, that is negative of that number. So, our answer is negative 16. Isa pang example, kapag ka parehas negative, negative 3 plus negative 4. Since they are both negative, you write the negative sign right away and then get the absolute value of negative 3 and the absolute value of 4. So that's 3 plus 4. So now our answer is going to be negative of 7, which is just simply equal to negative 7. So yan. Next rule that we have, if the signs are different, find the difference between the absolute values of the two numbers. Subtract the smaller absolute value from the larger and let the answer have the sign of the number with a larger absolute value. So, ang unang step kapag ka nag-a-add ka ng um, magkaibang sign na numbers, ang gagawin mo ay kukunin mo yung absolute value nilang dalawa. Tapos, pagmaminusin mo yung malaking absolute value saka yung smaller absolute value. Pagkatapos nun, kukunin mo yung sign ng mas malaking absolute value. O, halimbawa, meron kang negative 8 plus 15. Natin negative 8 plus positive 15. Ito yung larger number mo. So, ibig sabihin, yung final answer mo, positive. Ngayon, kunin mo yung absolute value nila. So, ito, 15. Ito ay 8. Sabi natin, kapag magkaiba ang sign nila, kunin mo ang absolute value ng mga numbers na yun. Tapos, ipag-minus mo yung malaki saka sa maliit. So, 15 bigger minus 8. Tapos, may parenthesis na yun. Kasi dapat yung final answer natin ay positive. So, 15 minus 8, that is 7. So, positive 7 ang sagot. How can we make sense of that? Let's say, meron tayong number 1. Tapos, yung dito si 15. Ang ibig sabihin lang niya, magmo-move from 15, magmo-move tayo ng 8 units to the left. So, 8 units to the left, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kaya, ang sagot natin ay positive 7. Paano naman pag nag-start tayo sa negative 8? Pwede din naman. Okay, paano yun? Dito sa negative 8. So, ayun na. Ang ibig sabihin lang nun, from negative 8 to starting point, you will move 15 units to the right. Kasi papunta ka dapat sa positive eh. Sa positive side eh. O to the right yun. So, you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Kaya ang sagot natin, 7. O ngayon, naintindihan mo na. Kaya natin ina-apply yung absolute value. Kasi pinag-uusapan lang naman natin dito yung movement ng mga numbers sa number line. Okay. Sana malinaw yan. Let's try to solve some of the items here. 4 plus the quantity of negative 3. Magkaibang sign sila. So, anong rule natin pag magkaibang sign? You take the absolute value. Kunin mo muna, ano ba yung numero na malaki? Si 4. Ano ang sign niya? Positive. So, automatic sa final answer natin, positive dapat. And then, you get their absolute values. Absolute value ng 4 ay 4. Absolute value ng negative 3 ay 3. Ngayon, isusubtract mo daw yung malaking absolute value minus sa maliit na absolute value. So, that's simply 4 minus 3. And then, meron tayong parentheses kasi dapat positive yung sagot. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. And then, meron kang positive sign here. Positive times 1 is just simply positive 1. That's it. Number 10. Okay, let me just erase this. Number 10. 5 plus negative 11. This is positive, this is negative. So identify the bigger number. That's 11. But with 11, we have the negative sign. So automatically, our final answer should be negative. Ngayon, let's get the value, absolute value of these two numbers. Absolute value ng 5 ay 5. Absolute value ng negative 11 ay 11. Ang rule ay ipag-subtract natin ang malaki sa maliit. So, 11 minus 5. Tapos, ang final answer natin, dapat daw may negative. So, dadalhin natin to dito. Ang 11 minus 5 ay equals to 6. Kaya ang answer natin ay negative 6. Pag dinraw mo yan sa number line, negative 6 ang kakalabasan mo. Next. Negative 18 plus negative 5. Same, negative. So, kung parehas sila ng negative numbers, automatic, ang final answer mo ay negative. And then, get the absolute value of this two. Absolute value of negative 18 ay 18. Absolute value ng negative 5 ay 5. Ang rule ay ipa-plus. Ha? Ipa-plus kapag parehas yung sign nila. Again, kapag kapareho ang sign, parehas silang negative, kunin ang absolute value at i-add. Pagkatapos mo silang i-add ngayon, yung final answer mo, meron dapat negative sign. So, magiging 18 plus 5 is 23. So, ang answer natin ay negative 23. Next, 47 plus negative 33. Look at the numbers. May positive, may negative. So, tingnan mo, sino mas malaki, si 47 o si 33? Si 47. Ang sign ng 47 ay positive. So, alam mo na agad na, ang final answer ko dapat positive. Hindi yan kakalimutan. Ngayon, kunin mo na yung absolute value ng dalawa. Ito ay 47. Ito ay 33. Ngayon, subtract mo sila kasi magkaiba yung sign nila. So, 47, malaking number minus maliit. 47 minus 33. Tapos, huwag kakalimutan ang negative symbol. Equal sign ito ha. Ito po ay equal sign. Equal negative of 47 minus 33. That is equal to 14. So, our final answer is negative 14. Ay, positive pala. Sorry. Positive to. Dapat positive ang sagot. Positive dapat to. So, you can write our fair answer as 14. Okay? Yan na muna. I'll see you again next time. Bye!